Guys, say hello. Say hello to a wide audience of about 3 people. Great job. Great response. Absolutely incredible. How do I use this again?
Guys, retake reach for a empty bus. I don't think we can hear
I've just sprayed the Escort. There we go. So the point is, it's like linked to the CCTV and it sends stuff to that. You kind of get the idea. Okay, so basically this is for like point of sales machines. So the NVR that I just showed you's got RS-232 on the back and RS-485. And the panel goes into that, which has obviously got its own ports. If I hit reset now, I just zoom in again. Hit reset. There, you can just about read that. I've got a notification as well. So, yeah, that's quite cool.